Computer scientists have developed a way to measure staff comfort and concentration in flexible working spaces using artificial intelligence. While hot desking and activity based working allow cost savings and greater flexibility and are said to increase staff collaboration and satisfaction, studies also show that noise and lack of privacy can be distracting. With coronavirus restrictions beginning to ease in some parts of the world and employers planning the return to office based work, a new sensor based system developed by RMIT and Arup can offer insights on how to get the best out of these flexible working spaces. The RMIT team behind the study are experts in using AI to uncover patterns in human behavior. For this project, they worked with psychologists to identify several key variables for concentration and comfort levels in work environments and then set about measuring these with sensors. They worked with global design and engineering firm Arup to develop and test their new AI driven system on 31 staff in two of the company's activity based working offices over 4 weeks. Data was collected on noise levels, indoor temperature, and air quality, humidity, air pressure, and even electromagnetic fields. The researchers used that information along with survey data to train machine learning algorithms that could identify patterns in perceived concentration and activity, and then provided solutions for making these spaces work best for people. Staff were generally supportive of their activity based working setup. However, data showed different people concentrated better in different zones, as well as other important insights for managing staff in the space. For example, many people had a favorite spot, such as near the window, kitchen, or their manager, and found concentrating more difficult if they weren't able to sit there. They were also more sensitive to the office temperature not being exactly right if they missed out on their favorite seat. Regardless of where they sat, office temperature was a major factor in how comfortable and focused people were. Most found temperatures below 22.5 degrees Celsius too cold to fully concentrate, and the day progressed, it was observed that people became increasingly sensitive to this. A major influence on perceived concentration in the mornings, unsurprisingly, was sleep quality the night before. The number of formal and informal meetings was also shown to have a large impact on perceived concentration, with those who had 5 formal meetings in a day reporting lower concentration levels compared with those who had fewer. Informal meetings, run-ins encouraged by activity-based working, were also measured. While they were preferred by some workers and could be used to reduce the number of formal meetings, they were seen as another source of distractions for others. High CO2 levels due to high occupant densities were also a barrier in people's ability to concentrate. The results for CO2 and thermal comfort underline just how important a high quality heating, cooling, and ventilation system is in office design, as well as indoor plans to reduce CO2. Modern offices, new and existing, are likely to undergo change and potentially redesign workplaces post COVID-19. These findings will be useful for the redesign of the workplaces.